How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You join me on a Tuesday evening, which is our typical bike night down in Marizion in Cornwall. I'm meeting up with Max RS and Louis Cheza. I think I'm going to meet Max at Texaco Garage quickly. The only thing I'm concerned about, I've actually put my clear screen on today because it will get dark at, well, sunsets at 6:32 this evening. That clock's an hour out, so to be honest with you, that means the sun's setting in 15 minutes, which isn't ideal. I've got an ND8 filter on this evening. The least filtering ND I've got, in hopes that it won't get too dark too fast with the footage. I've also brought the clear lens, so I might do a little test of that later if it does get dark. But yeah, we're going to go down to Marizion bike meet, see what's going on down there. I'm not sure what the turnout's going to be like, simply because it's not winter yet, but it's getting a little bit colder. The evenings are over sooner, it gets dark earlier, etc. So it might be that we get there and there's no one there, but we can go and have a look. But it's just a good excuse to get out anyway. It is a nice evening, regardless of how dark it gets, how fast. And yeah, we'll see what it's like. There's a load of bikes there, so it's definitely going to be a better turnout already than I thought it would have been. Hello boys, I can hear you already. Hey? What's on? I can't hear you. Oh, they've left their mate behind. It's a shame. It's a tiny little plate, that is, Jesus.
I have a surprise for you, Bailey.
You have a surprise for me?
I have a surprise for you.
Oh, right. Should I be excited for it? Alright, bud? Yeah, good. What's that, mate? That's weird, that guy went straight up. Oh, he wasn't happy about that. He just overtook a van and he was wheel spinning off. What the fuck?
Do you need fuel?
Nah. Oh, hello? Is that an ND filter for your camera under there? Yeah, what's on? My clutch is in. Spud me. Hello, boys.
Hey, Louis going to meet us down there?
He is? Alright then.
Yeah, man, I just got him on
Wicked. Little surprise guest from R50 Photos, mate. On the old KTM 690.
Just sat there. I was like, oh, hello.
What, did you tell him we were going?
No.
Oh, fucking hell. Yeah, boy. Yeah, I know. Clear visor, gang. My visor keeps hitting my GoPro every time I put it down. It's well annoying. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Oh, it must be running alright then, because he's actually brought it out. Right. Fair enough. It's actually a well nice evening, isn't it? Yeah. It was grey all day long, mate. And now it's actually a little bit better. It's a shame about how dark it gets though. That's what I was talking about at the start of this video. Yeah, I know, it's awful. I've actually brought my clear lens in my pocket as well for my camera. Because I've only put an ND8 on at the minute. I put an ND8 on. Oh, you put an ND8? Yeah, 8, yeah, nice. Good choice, bro, good choice. Oh, yeah, of course it has. Was that Luke? Was it Luke that flicked the stone up at you? Oh, what, that massive one? Wait, the big circular one you got? Oh, you're joking, mate. I didn't know that. That's gutting. I know, I just did it back to him, 2 wheels down. Yeah. I'm wondering how many people are going to be here, Max, because it's, you know, getting dark already. Well, I hope so. I've not been to a marizion bike meet in ages. Thank you, taxi man. Thank you very much. Oh, that cloud's looking a bit stormy, you know. It is a sick looking bike, I'm not gonna lie. It looks fun, it looks really fun. I think he's got some throttle problems, everyone. That's not him trying to do a wheelie. Oh, they're all leaving. Yeah. I'll get my new tyre next week, Max. That'd be nice to have. Oh my god, I've just got a face full of flies on my visor already. Oh no, there is, yeah. Deadpool?
Did you not see a photo of the chap that day?
Nah.
Someone pulled up from marizion after you two left with Deadpool one piece on.
Yeah.
Swords on his back and
What, he actually had swords on? What's on?
yeah, 8 swords.
No way.
Yeah, mate, I actually felt like crying.
That S1000RR there is fucking sexy.
He has like 1 or 2 teeth as well. Where's Chuck going?
Dunno. Yeah, I always do recently, actually, out of habit. Big old grunts, mate. Look at this. How are you, my boy? You good?
Yeah, not bad.
Sound. Well, that screams, mate. It's got a race fit on it as well. Has it got a cat? Nah.
No, that's Darius's.
Is it?
Yeah, Joe's ridden it before.
It's well nice, isn't it?
Sick. It's got 3 O2 sensors.
It's a lot of carbon, mate. That is a lot of carbon. It's the carbon chain guard I like. And the rear hugger.
Yeah, you, mate?
Yeah, she's fat, mate.
Hello.
Hello all. How are you, mate? Alright? Yeah, sexy.
Jake's coming down as well.
Got Barry.
Barry. Yeah.
Big Bazar.
Big Baz.
Big Baz. So this was literally the lighting 10 minutes later. It got pitch black, so apologies for not getting much footage of the bike meet itself. Jack was so adamant on getting a McDonald's that we all ended up riding to get a McDonald's, so this is us cruising there. Got a bit of grub. Hope you enjoy. Louis here, Jack's here, Jake's here. All the boys are here. I'm on the camera, mate. Yeah. They've got police combat trousers on. Yeah. Yeah, mate. Right, the PCSO is about to run out the back. They'll pull you over, mate, with burgers in the back. Whoa! Just pull away in a second. Should we do the drive-through?
It's not on by now, mate. So you're showing off to no one.
I don't even know if I'm recording or
or
not. Are you happy now, Jack? Oh, fucking get on.
I've never heard anything better. That sounded fucking ace.
They're noisy, aren't they?
Yeah, a bit noisy.
Sick, mate. Cheers for that, bro.
That's alright.
Nice one. Where? Home. Yeah. Take it easy, Max RS.
Bye, guys.
See you later, bro.
Bye, Max. Bye.
God knows. See you later, bro. Thank you all very much for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.